This is ITV1. We are suspending normal programming for an important announcement. Please remain calm at all times and stay tuned as we prepare the latest information. You are now watching ITV1. We have some disturbing news to share with you all today. There has been an outbreak of misery and anger surrounding the nation for the past few minutes. Experts have shown that this has been affecting the vast majority of the British population all across the United Kingdom since this morning. The most common symptoms are as follows: being an insufferable, miserable cunt, complaining about the pissing awful weather, and being an obnoxious prick in general. Not to mention everything wrong with this shithole country. The general public are advised to move far away from this miserable, grouchy island, as we like to call the United Kingdom, as the misery will eventually get worse and worse until we become even more vile human beings. I can't take this shit anymore. You depressing muppets can go fuck yourselves and you're all on your own. May God save our queen and all that bollocks.